Okay, I've got crap everywhere on the workbench, as you can see. Trying to build a new voice coil and spider for the little Pathe receiver. I've got my voice coil complete and my spider, and just doing a dry fit to make sure I've got it positioned correctly before placing some epoxy on the voice coil and spider. Then I'll remove that and probably go ahead and wind a new fill coil. I hate putting this thing back together with the old fill coil just in case it opens up. So I'm gonna ponder on that. A short update, that's where I'm at right now. I'll keep you guys posted and share more details on the reproduction of the voice coil and spider at a later date, assuming I'm successful. And of course, a new cone will be required as well. Thanks for watching. Everyone take care.